We talk football SA, inform, entertain, educate, promote. This video is proudly brought to you by Fezile Security Services. Securing your business is our core business.
Our core business.
Unjani mfowethu?
Siyaphila kunjani bhuti?
It's gone.
Igama nguVusumuzo kwaMthendeshe, Sandawana G3.
Yeah.
Bra wami ngizokutshela ukuthi uhambe kanjani Rome.
Yeah.
First at Sundowns.
Yeah.
You play with 3.
Yeah.
Like line, ne?
Yeah.
You can't come with people that favors you.
Yes.
It's Sundowns yourself, ne?
Yeah.
We have our own mandate.
Yes.
We have our own players.
Yes.
Ne?
Yes.
You can't put Johannes
Yeah.
on the scheme.
No, you can't.
He's slow.
Yeah.
He's not reactive
Yes.
to the action. Ne?
Yeah.
So we can't win MTN8. Why you can't win MTN8? Cardoso is always wanting to play Portugal fit people. Ne?
Yeah.
Which is, it won't work for us.
Is this Portugal?
This is Portugal. It won't
Yeah.
work for us.
Yeah.
Let me tell you why I say Portugal. Ne?
Yeah.
You can't pay Johannes.
Yeah.
Ne? Okay, we have lost Mutau.
Yes.
We understand.
Yeah.
Ne? But the way we play,
Yes.
that doesn't favor us.
Yeah.
Ne? Sometimes we always feel the middle fielder with player that can create a
Yes.
play.
Yes.
Ne? You can't feel. Sometimes we are like Real Madrid.
Yeah.
We don't develop from the development.
Yes.
We take players that are ready because
Yeah.
we always have high expectations.
You need to win
We
every
need to
game.
win every. That's what Gulani
No
said.
time to develop.
That's what Gulani said. That's what
Yeah.
people said.
Yeah.
We can't develop.
Yeah.
We are always ready for anything.
Yes.
So Cardoso is disrespecting us.
Yes.
Let us be honest.
Yeah.
I don't disrespect.
Ish.
This is Arrow's game.
Yeah.
Sundowns harimenye.
Yeah.
Harimenye.
Uyawina more.
Uyawina.
Armana kodlala.
Yeah. So if I was the chairman of
Yeah.
Sundowns, ne,
Yes.
if after Cardoso has just
Yeah.
won the CAF,
Yes.
I was going to give him 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Then I will say, go home, brother. We need
Yes.
someone who understands Sundowns.
Yes.
Ne?
Yeah. He doesn't understand
He
Zambia.
doesn't understand Sundowns.
Yeah.
That's the problem. Check
Nyasa the cup competitions.
we have the cup competition, and
Yeah.
if you can check in the history of Sundowns,
Yeah.
MTN8 is our only struggle.
Yes.
So now we are saying we are going to admire Adams.
Yes.
He was wearing number 8.
Yeah.
How are we going to admire him? Why we are
It's MTN8
You
for
must-
number 8
You must win MTN8 for Adams.
because he was wearing number 8.
So Cardoso, please listen to this.
Yeah.
Listen to the people who are there next to you.
Yeah.
Listen to Mangoba.
Mtshele.
Listen to the people who are there. Listen to
Mtshele.
Kennedy. Listen
Mtshele.
to Surprise. Listen to Tiko Mudise when they
Yes.
advise you. Play the players that are there.
Mtshele.
Sunderland doesn't play with 2 strikers.
Yeah.
Never.
Never.
That never happened.
Creativity.
We must feel the middle filter.
Yeah.
So that we can do what? Play our solid football.
Yes.
Shoe shine every
Yeah,
hand.
yeah.
When you are coming with the Spanish,
Yeah.
this is Africa.
No.
You can't play Spanish.
Thank you, Sandawai.
You can't play Spanish.
Thank you, Sandawai.